Cell phones help us stay connected, share things with those who matter most, and keep in touch with the world around us, no matter where we live. Weak cell signal puts a stop to all that. Sure, you could decide to switch carriers, buy a new phone, or move. Still, it's no guarantee that you won't experience dropped calls or slow data speeds while inside your home. Fortunately, there's an easier solution. weBoost installed, a powerful cell signal booster for your home. As the name implies, it includes professional installation. After you've opened the box, just go online and use the code to schedule your installation. Sometimes as soon as the next day, no matter where you live. Nationwide, in all 50 states. As a trained and certified expert, your installer will do everything possible to ensure your experience is a flawless one. Once everything's set up, weBoost Installed brings the outside cell signal into your home, then boosts that signal for indoor use, giving your home the best cell coverage possible. That's it. No logins or phone pairing needed. No subscriptions or hidden fees. Just a one-time cost. Boom! You've now got amazing cell coverage. Go ahead, keep up with your friends from college group texts. Get faster internet to stay up to date with what's going on at all hours of the day. Binge watch your favorite shows without pauses or annoying interruptions. Enjoy those daily talks with your sister anywhere in your house. It works with any phone or cellular device, on all carriers. It feels good knowing you'll never miss a text or call again, even the ones you wish you could. Make your house a home for reliable signal with the weBoost Installed Home Complete.